Hello, I'm Mia. Today I'm going to tell you about the PrecisionID MICR font package. This font package contains one multi-purpose MICR font and 10 additional variations of this font, which include light, bold, wide, and narrow versions. All of these fonts are provided in both TrueType and PostScript format. We also provide placement instructions and a MICR Calibration Tool, which can be used to determine if you need to implement one of the variations of this font. To install the MICR font, you double-click on the zip file. Access the folder that it created. Then open up the Fonts folder and install PrecisionID MICR by clicking on it. Choose Install Font. Once it's installed, you can exit out of the font dialog. The multi-purpose MICR font has the name of PrecisionID MICR and was designed to print accurately on all printers. Variations of this font are provided in the Additional Fonts folder of the package for special situations where the printer prints too dark, light, wide, or narrow. These are the variations of the font. At this point, you can open the calibration tool file. The files named MICR Calibration Tool are provided in Microsoft Word and PDF formats to calibrate your printer to the font in the event your printer is printing too dark, light, wide, or narrow. Please refer to the MICR Calibration Tool document to make these determinations. If you have any questions, please refer to the user manual or support Q&A at precisionid.com.